Think you've seen everything Amazon has to offer? Think again. These weirdest yet most genius finds solve problems you didn't even know you had in surprisingly clever ways. From oddly satisfying fixes to "how did this exist without me knowing" moments, they're impossible to ignore. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. This compact hammer drill is shaped like a futuristic blaster, so it works hard and looks awesome sitting on your desk. You get 2 speeds, letting you tighten small screws gently or power through wood and metal when you need more muscle. The comfortable grip and simple forward-reverse control make it easy for you to use, even if you're new to DIY. It's battery-powered, lightweight, and practical enough for real projects while still feeling like a statement gadget. So if you want your tools ready every time, scan the QR on screen. Big cutting power doesn't have to come in a big, scary tool. This mini chainsaw is small, lightweight, and easy for you to control, even if you've never used one before. It slices through branches cleanly, making pruning and yard cleanup fast instead of exhausting. The built-in auto oil system keeps the chain running smoothly, so you get cleaner cuts with less effort. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you can keep working longer without stopping mid-job. So if you want effortless yard work, scan the QR on screen. Feeding time gets a lot easier with this simple 2-in-1 pet station. It uses gravity to keep food and water flowing, so you don't need power, apps, or settings. The clear containers let you see when it's time to refill, giving you peace of mind when you're away. Stainless steel bowls help keep things clean and more hygienic for your pet. Set it down, fill it up, and you're good for days. So if you want stress-free feeding, scan the QR on screen. Some chairs are made for sitting. This one is made for sinking in. This round saucer chair wraps around you with soft padding, turning reading or scrolling into pure comfort. The wide seat gives you room to relax without feeling cramped. When you're done, it folds up easily so you can store it or move it without effort. It's cozy, sturdy, and perfect for your bedroom, dorm, or chill corner. Dinner just got a lot more epic. These light-up chopsticks glow like energy sabers, turning sushi night into a full-on show. With a simple button, you control when the lights turn on, making every bite more fun. They're reusable, lightweight, and easy for you to handle, even if chopsticks aren't your superpower. Perfect for parties, movie nights, or just making your food feel a little more legendary. Feeling stressed at your desk? This mini desktop punching bag is ready for action. Stick it to any smooth surface and start pounding to release tension, sharpen reflexes, and boost hand-eye coordination. The ball bounces back every time, so you get a non-stop workout for your hands and focus. Lightweight, easy to set up, and fun for both kids and adults. It turns any workspace into a little stress-busting arena. So if you want instant stress relief, scan the QR on screen. Keep your things secure without the hassle of keys. This retractable cable lock stretches up to 2.5 feet, letting you thread it through tricky gaps with ease. The 3-digit combination gives you plenty of code options, so you can lock up confidently. Made from durable steel wrapped in protective plastic, it's safe for hands and tough enough to last. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for bikes, luggage, lockers, or anything else you need to protect. Take your adventures to new heights, literally. This foldable mini drone follows you automatically, capturing every move with its 2.7K HDR camera and smooth triple stabilization. Launch it from your palm, set intelligent flight paths, or let it orbit, hover, and track you hands-free. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry anywhere, making epic shots simple whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring. Internal storage keeps all your footage safe, so you can share your adventures instantly. Travel just got a lot more fun for little ones. This ride-on suitcase doubles as a toy car, letting kids zoom around while carrying their stuff. Styled like a sleek SUV with realistic headlights, it turns every trip into an adventure. Inside, a roomy compartment with straps and pockets keeps toys and clothes organized. Lightweight, sturdy, and easy to roll, it's perfect for kids ages 2 to 6 who want to move in style. So, if you want travel to be playful, scan the QR on screen. Start your day with a twist of fun. This handheld coffee stirrer looks like a mini marine engine and whirls your drink to perfect smoothness. It mixes evenly, giving your coffee, milk, or hot chocolate a creamy, consistent texture every time. Lightweight and easy to hold, it won't tire your hand, even during multiple cups. Quiet and efficient, it's perfect for home, office, or even outdoor coffee breaks. Ever wish your batteries were as organized as your gadgets? This missile-shaped storage box keeps AA and AAA batteries in neat, ready-to-use slots. It's fully rotatable, turning simple storage into a fun little toy you can spin and play with. Made from durable PLA plus material, it's built to last while keeping your batteries safe. 3D printed. For precision, it adds a quirky, futuristic touch to your shelf or desk. No more digging through drawers, everything has its place. Turn your game collection into a treasure. This skeleton chest game case holds 16 Switch game cards and 2 micro SD cards, keeping everything organized and easy to grab. Its edgy skull design adds personality to your gaming setup while staying compact and portable. Made from durable ABS, it protects your cards from scratches and everyday wear. Lightweight and stylish, it fits perfectly on a desk or gaming shelf. So if you want your games safe and ready, scan the QR on screen. Say hello to the charger that looks as futuristic as it charges. This Mecha robot-style charger has 3 ports, letting you power up a laptop, phone, tablet, or gaming device all at once. Thanks to advanced GaN tech, it charges a MacBook from 0 to half full in just 30 minutes. The foldable plug and compact design make it perfect for travel, while built-in safety protections keep your devices secure. Ice blue lights show charging status, making it as cool as it is practical. Your music deserves more than just sound. It deserves a show. This portable speaker doubles as an LED table lamp, turning any space into a vibe instantly. You get bold, room-filling audio that stays clear even when you crank it up, so your playlist hits just right. The colorful light effects sync to the beat, making every song feel alive. With wireless pairing and long-lasting battery life, you can carry the party wherever you go. Every millisecond matters when you're locked into a game. These wireless gaming earbuds use a dedicated dongle to deliver ultra-low latency, so sound stays perfectly in sync with what you see on screen. You can also switch to Bluetooth for your phone without disconnecting from your console or PC. Built-in microphones keep your voice clear for team chat. With long battery life and multiple sound modes, you stay focused and in control longer. So if you want every sound perfectly synced, scan the QR on screen. Cooling doesn't have to be boring. This one looks like it's ready for launch. This desktop fan combines airflow, gentle mist, and glowing lights to turn your desk into a mini sci-fi scene. You can switch between multiple wind levels to cool down faster while adding moisture to dry air. The soft lighting modes make it just as fun to look at as it is to use. Quiet, rechargeable, and compact, it keeps you cool without stealing the spotlight. One chair, 3 ways to relax. This one bends to your mood. This giant beanbag easily transforms from a cozy seat into a laid-back floor sofa or a comfy mattress for lounging or sleepovers. The memory foam filling shapes around you, then springs back when you move, so comfort never fades. A soft, removable cover makes cleanup simple when life gets messy. Perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or unexpected guests who decide to stay over. Saving money has never been this entertaining. This playful coin bank lifts your coins, eats them, and plays a funny sound as they disappear. Just place coins on the tray and watch the magic happen right in front of you. Kids love the interactive motion, and adults can't help but smile too. It turns everyday spare change into a fun habit that actually makes you want to save. So if you want saving to be fun, scan the QR on screen. Knots don't stand a chance against this clever hair helper. This detangling brush gently rocks its bristles as you glide it through hair, loosening tangles instead of yanking them out. You can use it on wet or dry hair, which makes rushed mornings way easier. Soft tips protect your scalp, so brushing feels comfortable, not painful. It's cordless, simple to use, and great for kids or adults who want smoother hair with less struggle. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance against this smart umbrella. It gives you shade while the built-in fan and gentle mist help cool you down at the same time. You stay protected from harsh sun while enjoying a refreshing breeze wherever you go. The sturdy design feels reliable without being heavy to carry. Perfect for outdoor walks, events, or long days outside when staying cool really matters. Standing for long stretches doesn't have to be exhausting anymore. This smart walking cane folds out into a sturdy seat whenever you need a quick rest. When you're moving again, it locks back into a supportive cane with a comfortable grip. A built-in light helps you see where you're going in dim spaces or at night. Lightweight, stable, and easy to use, it gives you confidence and comfort wherever the day takes you. So if you want rest whenever you need it, scan the QR on screen. Flip phones are back, but this one feels straight out of the future. You get a sleek folding phone with a full outer screen, so you can reply, scroll, and check notifications without opening it. Flip it open, and you're met with a smooth, vibrant display that feels fast and fluid in everyday use. The flexible design lets you prop it up for hands-free photos, videos, or calls. It's style, performance, and practicality wrapped into one bold device. Who said exercise can't be fun? These bouncing shoes turn walking into a mini trampoline experience, letting kids leap, jump, and burn energy with every step. Adjustable straps and rugged soles keep feet secure while giving plenty of bounce. They help strengthen legs and core while keeping playtime exciting. Perfect for solo fun or group games, these shoes make fitness feel like a party your kids actually want to join. Snack time just got a lot more fun and a little mess-free. This clever gadget lets you core a banana while it's still in its peel, leaving the fruit ready to fill with Nutella, peanut butter, yogurt, or any favorite topping. It's perfect for quick, healthy treats or creative desserts for kids. Easy to use and simple to clean with the included brush, it turns ordinary bananas into snack time stars. So if you want perfect banana treats, scan the QR on screen. Making dumplings just got a whole lot easier and more fun. This handy mold shapes, fills, and seals dumplings, baozi, or even mini pastries in minutes. The ergonomic design keeps your hands safe while cutting and pressing the dough evenly. Kids and adults alike can join in, turning meal prep into a quick, interactive activity. Dishwasher safe and durable, it saves time, reduces mess, and helps you make perfect dumplings every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.